Me calling me off. You believe that? You've really made it. The bad news is it's all downhill from here. Jeff Lewis live on Radio Andy. Sirius XM.
Don't worry, boys. Your retro generals are on the field. Oh wow, they got one of those? Yeah, they got everything here. Alright, let me go pick up one. Oh. Not too bad, $149. I don't know if that thing's preloaded. Nice. Tap. Not bad. I don't know what they want for this. Hey man, how's it going?
How are you doing, sir?
Good. Yeah, I was just here to pick up my Raspberry Pis. Oh. Hi, I'm just here to pick up my orders of my Raspberry Pis I ordered. Okay, so guys, we're just gonna look around quickly. I don't have a lot of time because we're getting ready to close here in a few minutes. But the prices here are incredibly cheap. Typically a cable I would get at Walmart for like, Best Buy for like 24 bucks. You can get it here for like $5. A USB or a micro connection. So I apologize if this video looks a little rushed, but I don't get down here often. And I just want to show you guys a little bit what they have to offer. And over here they got DJI drones and stuff over there. Obviously you guys saw the arcade system, they got stuff over here. This is their Raspberry Pi section here. So this is all the new order stuff just came in. Everybody's been getting their Raspberry Pi 4s. I was just talking to a guy, he couldn't get one. This is all their little stuff here. All the boxes and stuff. So this is their entire section. And MicroCenter is a direct seller. That's why it's a direct seller for Raspberry Pis. That's why they, Ameridroid and several other companies I called earlier don't have them in stock. So. Well, they got a few characters too. Let's see, how much do they sell these? I'll check prices, but and I think over there they got a lot of video game components. Oh, that's pretty cool. We got a nice entire retro section laid out here. And then of course this is their PlayStation section right behind me. They got a few electronics and video game selections there. Genesis, Sega Genesis flashback unit there. Are you guys following me in the retro community? You guys will love that section. And then of course we have a flight little premise. Hey, how much are your Raspberry Pi 3B pluses?
3B pluses, 25?
You guys dropped them down to 25 now?
Double check on that. Because all I've been hearing today is, you know, Raspberry Pi 4.
Right. I gotta make sure I don't get Jack walking out of here with two of them. Okay. And here you have your Xbox section here.
Attention MicroCenter customers, our store will be closing in just 10 minutes. If you haven't done so, we ask that you please bring your final selections to the front of the store for a prompt and courteous checkout.
And we got some more flight sticks and stuff there.
Closing in just 10 minutes. Thank you and have a good night.
Alright. Well, you guys heard the announcement, so I have some other little things. I only got 10 minutes, and I can only do what I can, so. And I want to give a special shout out to Kisses, who's been very patient with my hobbies and everything. They came with me on this drive to support me. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. That's what it's about right there. So, special shout out to Kisses, who has helped me. Special shout out to Kisses, who supports me in everything that I do. And honey, babe. Babe. Let's see where it is. Oh, that is sick. I'll definitely record that.
Just happened like that. Just had it up. Well, I have this one up.
This one is this a good deal? Excuse me, do you guys actually do shipping as well? Do you guys ship, or do everything here have to pick it up?
Well, that's a good question. So, if you're in the store, you're picking it up. We have a website that you buy and we can drop ship, but you have to pay for shipping. You can ship
Okay.
it anywhere.
Because I know I ordered some stuff online and I had to come and pick it up.
Oh, yeah. If it's our contract, those are in-store pickups only, yeah.
Okay.
We want to ship them. So half our SKUs are like on contract. Yeah.
So so I can buy a laptop online later and then.
Oh, yeah. Well, if it has a contract, it might say come in the store and pick it up. But you know what you can call our corporate sales if you don't care about how much the discount is, and we'll ship whatever you want.
Perfect.
But then you might pay it's $50 off. You might not get the $50 off.
Okay,
So
that's
it's
fine.
only when it's $50 off another contract, they'll go, oh, come in the store because we want to compete with the competitors online.
Right.
It's just more of a
Do you guys match prices or no?
Should
You
say
guys
on there in-store only.
in-store only?
Yeah, we price match, yeah, up to however long. 30 days price match anywhere.
30 days?
Amazon.
Oh, perfect.
See, I got it up for you. The difference.
2 gigahertz.
I like these two. I just don't know if they're
Oh,
good.
thanks.
I learned. See, you taught me and I learned how to do it.
Alright, so Kisses needs a new laptop, and I definitely need to get her one. So I've just been pricing which one I should get. This one's 1700.
Yep. And then this one.
The 799 one. Just verify which one that one is. This store is laid out. Jesus. Even fries is like that. Oh, I can't? Oh, shoot. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Alright guys, we're actually closed right now, but they told me to stop recording and told me to start recording again. They didn't care, so. But that is the most prestigious wall of video cards I have ever seen. Look at that display case. Oh my god. This place is laid out, and they even got all this. I mean, this store is nice. I mean, this place puts fries to shame. Towards this. I don't know. I could probably spend the night in here. Oh my god, they got the Taz. Man, my subscriber Mad DIY would fall in love with this place. Alright guys, we're gonna head on out. I gotta get kisses her laptop. She deserves it. Some good stuff here.
You guys doing okay?
Yeah, just kind of running through. I know you guys are closed. We're getting ready to head on out. Thanks.
2 weeks? You're going on vacation? Where you going?
There you go.
Really? Have fun, bro.
Thanks, man.
That's where my fams is.
Really? Your family's up there?
Yeah, that's where I was born.
Really? San Diego?
Yep.
Which part?
Imperial.
What?
Imperial Beach.
Ariel Beach? Damn.
Woo! Everything you need to build a computer right here on this aisle.
Yep.
Right here in this section. Yeah.
Anthony.
I was just gonna ask you. All right, guys. I guess we're done. We gotta head on out. So. Kisses and I are gonna go to Disneyland and grab a bite. And I hope you guys. Oh. It's pretty decent. Yeah, it's just a case. We gotta fill it up with some good stuff. Oh, wait a minute. They got all the arcade buttons right here. Oh, crap. I didn't even notice that. Yeah, look at that. This is chrome. You got your joysticks and graphics right here. Got your white arcade trackball. Oh my god. Dude. I just walked right by here and didn't even notice it. You got all your speakers and stuff for your mods. You got your mod kit. This kit includes all components required to build a fully operational stand-up arcade. Wait a minute, this thing doesn't, it can't have a 32-inch TV in there. I gotta check that out. Is there a sales rep nearby? That can't be right. Hello, is anybody available? Hello? That can't be right. That can't be. Alright, let me see if I can see if somebody's over here real quick. Hey, question. Hey, you guys busy? I got a quick question for you. Does this kit automatically include the 32-inch TV for that price?
The thing is, yes, keep in mind, this isn't the whole kit. This is just a box containing a bunch of the stuff.
Right.
But it's not everything. Because the cabinet itself is huge. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, but for that price,
when you
get
pay for it, it comes with everything.
so it comes with a 32-inch TV,
Yes,
the
it comes
T-Mobile.
with everything to set it up.
Gee, that's not a bad deal. Oh, you also get the Raspberry Pi included too.
Exactly. They used to be $1,200, but I guess they didn't sell well because they were bad at marketing them. So right now they went down $200 because they're like, after we sell them all, they're gone.
And what kind of 32-inch TV does it come with?
I think just like a basic LCD one. Like nothing fancy.
really like.
You know, so
and
one like the
need.
ones displayed right
Okay,
here.
But
so
it's
that's the
like
one that's already
$800.
displayed or anything like that.
Pretty much everything it comes with. Only thing is you can change the buttons. You know, you don't have to get those gross silver black ones.
Okay. That's not bad because Rec Room Masters, I think they start at about $600 or $700. I think $700, and I don't believe any of those come with the TV model. You have to add your own.
What most
So-
people do is they just really. We have a lot of people who just buy the base, which is like $350 right now. Like the stand up.
Wait, that base right there is $350.
Yeah, without anything inside, just the base. It's
That base right there is
yeah,
$350.
right here. Yeah, the whole base. I think it's $350 or $300 or $250, one of those. But yeah, most people just buy that.
Oh, man.
Like some people want to make a 4-person or
Right,
a 3-person,
right.
and you can't do it with our kids, so they just buy the base and modify it and buy ground kit. So we sell more bases than we do with the whole kit.
So that base, is that a 2-player base or a 4-player? You have to buy the kit for that.
It's a 2-player kit, yeah.
It's a 2-player. Oh my!
Yeah,
For
but
$350?
I think 350 or
That is a
350, yeah,
killer
but basically all you do is just replace this top part and just like order a 4-player base, yeah.
Of course.
Because to be honest,
That's a good deal.
yeah. Because to be honest, I want to make one, but I want one with a 3-player base because I personally find all the 3-player games the best. There's one called Gain Ground. I love that game.
And there's a lot of hidden 3-player
Yeah.
games too, like
Michael
Captain Commando. You can make
Yeah,
that
it's Captain
either
Commando.
3-player or 4-player or 2-player.
Rampage, Michael Jackson's Moonwalker. I actually like that one.
AVP, Aliens versus Predator.
Yeah.
There's a few games that are like Dynasty Warriors.
Exactly,
I can't
yeah.
think of their names, but
So yeah, so like I want to, if I make one, I want to make a 3-player one.
all right, man. I'm gonna have to come back down here
No problem.
later on in the future, but
problem.
this place is cool. All right, thanks. All right, guys, that concludes my tour. There you guys have. Good night. Hope you enjoyed this brief tour of the store. This place is phenomenal.